Need to create and print an envelope in Microsoft Word? I'll show you how to set it up, add addresses, and get it ready for printing in no time. Select the Mailings tab at the top of Word. Click on the Envelopes button, which has the option to create envelopes. In the dialog box, insert the delivery address for the envelope, enter a return address if needed. Ensure that the envelope is properly loaded into the printer before printing. Select Print to view a preview with orientation instructions. Adjust envelope options and printing options as needed to match the printer's requirements. Position the envelope with postage facing inward, either facing up or to the left as directed. Choose OK to confirm settings, then select Print to print the envelope. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.